So we'll just run through this once more together. So as it stands right now, it's showing that the EV is disconnected. So we've got it set to our fast charging rate. Whack that round straight into the Jag. Okay, it's now saying that we've got a EV charge point going in. So it's to say that it's got there, but because they've got random delays, so now it will say if you start to charge now, as you start, the random start delay is 130 seconds, but we haven't got time to faff about. So we're going to start that straight away. And it's now charging. And it's indicated on the car now that we're taking charge. It'll also do that on the inside. So not really sure what's happening, so whether that's just an actual glitch in the car. And yeah, and we're back charging at 6.9 kilowatts.